Hello friends, so now we are seeing the sum of a geometric series when we have the common multiplier of the sequence as a number which is greater than 1. Yeah, so it's a growing series. So we know that this formula is true for the sum of a series up to n terms, geometric series. Let us try to prove this result using the principle of mathematical induction. As before, I have written down the principle on the right side and we will try to go step by step. So first let us see if this holds true when n is equal to 1. That is, we are taking only one term. Okay, so clearly we have taken r to be greater than 1, so there is no case where the denominator will be 0, so we can cancel out and we get the left hand side and right hand side to be same. So we have shown that p of n equal to 1 is true. Now whenever p of k is true, that is, we have to assume that p of k is true, then p of k plus 1 should also come out to be true based on that assumption. Then we can say that the given statement is true for all natural numbers. So this is what we have, assumption that this is true. Now let us see what happens when we have the case k plus 1. So now after doing this, we have shown that p of k plus 1 is also true based on our assumption that p of k is true. So we have satisfied all the conditions, and by the principle of mathematical induction, this given statement, that is, if we are assuming it to be p of n, this statement is true for all natural numbers n. So we have proven this simple formula that you might have learned in geometric sequences, the sum of a geometric series, to be true using the principle of mathematical induction. Thank you.